I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can enable your voice chat on Roblox PC. So it's pretty simple. So you can open up the Roblox app, but if you don't have the Roblox app, you can go to this website called roblox.com. Once you search for roblox.com, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. So log in into your account first. Since I've already logged in into my account, it straight up brought me over here. Now from over here at the top right corner, I can click on the setting icon and click on where it says settings. Now, in order to get the voice chat feature, first you need to confirm your age, which means you need to verify your age. So in order to verify your age, once you're inside the setting, make sure you go on the account info section. From account info section, you can see this option called verify my age. Click on verify my age and verify your age. It's going to ask you for ID and other stuff. So make sure to be ready to provide the photo of your ID to Roblox. And don't worry about it. They're not going to share your ID with anybody else. And once you verify your age, what you need to do is click on where it says privacy. Once you click on privacy, it's going to bring you over here and you can see where it says enable voice chat option, turn it on. Once it's on, basically your voice chat is on Roblox. That's how simple it is to turn on your voice chat on Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.